everybody, welcome back to Desert DIY. Today I have a decor challenge video for you. Secondhand Tracey has challenged other YouTubers like me to do a Valentine's Day mantle decor, and in this challenge we had to use hugs and kisses, and you can see right behind me, right there, is my hugs and kisses for this challenge. I decided to go really simple, and I didn't want to do too much or go too overboard, I guess, with my decor, because I'm trying to simplify the amount of things I keep in storage, for one. And reason number two is that I am trying to have a more minimal, easy decor in my whole home in general. It makes it easier to clean when I don't have to move so many things out of the way to wipe surfaces down and things like that. So I decided that I'm going to decorate with the things that are meaningful to me. So here's how I did it, and I hope you enjoy. Here, my little Valentine's banner is a DIY that I did using hot glue and a string, a red string. And this fabric I used to cover my daughter's toy box, and I had some left over. So I just cut the shape of the banner and then hot glued on the fabric hearts that I cut out. And then I hot glued this back piece also onto the string so they don't move. This beautiful cranberry glass vase is actually something that was my grandmother's, and then the flowers inside I just picked up from Michael's. Good thing about Michael's right now is that all the Valentine's and spring stuff is 50% off, so these were only $2. This piece is from the dollar store. It is just a foam red glitter heart. The hugs and kisses piece is also from Michael's, and it was also just $2 because it was half off. Altogether, my decorations only cost me $5. I think that this mantle turned out really nice. It's so obvious that it's Valentine's Day decor without being over the top. I used to be an over the top holiday decorator, but nowadays it's just too much work. I have too many children. It's too much to store, and I just want my life to be a little more simple. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my Instagram at desert.diy. If you liked what you saw in this video, then please hit that subscribe button so you can see more. Thank you so much for watching. I will have the link to this playlist down below in my description box as well, so you can check out all the other YouTubers who took part in this challenge. And special thanks to Secondhand Tracey for putting this challenge on for all of us. So I'll see you next time. Bye!